Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Otterbox Defender for the Google Pixel 9 Pro. I don't have too many cases for my Pixel 9 Pro XL, just the standard Google one here, and then a MagSafe one that I also picked up a while ago. So I wanted something a little more protective for going out and about and stuff like that, and just need that extra protection. So I picked this one up. You guys always love the Otterbox videos, especially on how to install them. So we're going to go ahead and get this out of the box. Got a little warranty thing right there. And the clip is already kind of halfway off the box right here. There we go. So this one does include the belt clip. That's kind of hit or miss whether they include a belt clip these days. The iPhone ones don't now. You have to go online and order it. They give you a coupon code and then you have to order it. But this one does come with it in the box, which I do prefer, just because, why would I want to buy something in the store and then have to go online and order it? So just peel around the edge here and separate the outer shell, and then go ahead and take the clips here undone. There should be little arrows where each clip is. You usually don't have to do every single one of them, but you do have to get a good majority of them to get it open here. Let's see. Usually if you get like one side and then a couple from the other, you can kind of just peel it open like that and put the phone down in there. Clip it back together. Only goes back on one way. Make sure you snap all those clips back down like so, and then slide it back into the outer shell and just push it back and kind of hook the edges back under the lip. And there you go. Make sure everything lines back up. Check your buttons, make sure they went in, and they did. So there we go. There is the Otterbox Defender for the Google Pixel 9 Pro. And one little tip for you guys new to Otterboxes here is if you use the belt clip, you can turn this like so for different orientations on your belt, but you can also snap that into place like that. And if you put the phone in here with the screen facing out, you can use it as a stand. I'm not going to clip it in all the way, but you can use it as a stand. So pretty nice. Like I said, Otterbox Defender for the Pixel 9 Pro. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Have a great day.